Hey there, lovely teachers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can show your piano from overhead on a Zoom meeting. I'm not going to show you how to set up the actual camera. I've shown that in a previous video with a couple of different configurations where you can put the camera attached to different arms and mic stands and all of that stuff. So we'll link to that video below this one. But right now what I want to show you is actually inside the Zoom meeting, how do you switch between the cameras? Because people have been asking me about that. So I'm in a Zoom meeting right now. What you're actually looking at is not my camera, it's the Zoom meeting. It's just showing my camera on the screen. So this is on a desktop computer or a laptop. It will look exactly like this. It'll look a little bit different on an app. But right now on my laptop or desktop computer, this is what it will look like. And down the bottom here, you can see the video icon. If you click the little arrow beside the video icon, you can see my HD Pro webcam C920, whatever webcam you have. If it's plugged in, as in if the USB is plugged into your computer, it should show up here. So to switch to the overhead view, I can just click on that. And then to switch back, I can click there. Now, that's not actually how I do it. I prefer to use a keyboard shortcut just to stop me fiddling around with things on screen while I'm on a live call. So I'm going to show you the settings for that now. If you go up to your preferences, this will look a little bit different on Windows. I'm on a Mac right now. So you click on preferences, and if you go to video, if you go to keyboard shortcuts, that's what I mean, then scroll down and you'll see I have this one switched on. I have the tick beside that one. That means that I can use this shortcut to switch between my cameras, which is Shift Command N. On a Windows, that'll probably be Shift Control N. So you can just turn that on if you want that optional shortcut to work. And now I'll do that on my keyboard and it'll switch back and forth like that. So that's a handy way to be able to switch back and forth, or you can just use this button right here if you want to do it with your mouse. And that's it, simple as that. That's how you can show an overhead piano view on your Zoom meeting.